continue after this on All Hits 24. Hi guys, this is Matt Reinhardt. Stream All Hits 24 whenever you go, whether at home, on the road, at work, outdoors, or anywhere. You just need your cell phones, tablets, laptops, desktop computers, or even your car, and hook up the Internet's best mix via allhits24.com/live, MyTuner, Zeno, and now on online radio box. Visit allhits24.com/streaming guide to know more. That's allhitz24.com/streaming-guide. Listen to All Hits 24 anywhere you go. And remember, if you found it on your favorite streaming apps, tap play. Data rate supply. Streaming may be buffered or stopped in case of weak signal, no connectivity, using prepaid or device limitations. Visit allhits24.com/streaming guide to learn more. Haven't used your current SIM card yet? If you did use it, then here's a reminder. Since July 31, 2023, all unregistered SIM cards have already been deactivated. Unless you registered your SIM card before, you cannot anymore use your unused current SIM card. Buy a new SIM card first, then register your SIM before usage. You may need also to transfer your old number from websites that handles this to your new number. Postpaid and business subscribers with a current SIM card are not affected by this change. A reminder from the Internet's best mix, All Hits 24. When it comes to maritime education, it's important to choose the right school for your needs. Negros Maritime College Foundation Incorporated, the only maritime school in Negros Oriental specializing in maritime education, is the perfect choice for you. We offer 4-year Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation course and 4-year Bachelor of Science in Marine Engineering course. Negros Maritime College Foundation Incorporated is accredited by the Commission on Higher Education and the Maritime Industry Authority and certified ISO 9001-2015 Quality Management System. That's why the trust in Negros Maritime College for 30 years remains strong. And we are still committed in providing top quality maritime education for everyone. Enrollment is now going on. Classes begin September 2, 2024. For more information, visit our campus at Magatas Sibulan, Negros Oriental. Call the registrar at 0960-274-0320 or message us at our Facebook page, Negros Maritime College Foundation Incorporated. Sail the world and earn dollars for family and country. Enroll now. Congratulations to the Internet's best mix for being number one Internet radio station on the Radio PH app. And number 6 overall, combined with simulcast of AM and FM stations. Thank you so much, all hitsters, for supporting the Internet's best mix on Radio PH. Radio PH. And we are sure that soon we will be number 1 on your favorite radio streaming apps. So keep on listening to the Internet's best mix, All Hits 24. Broadcasting live 24/7 wherever, whenever on allhits24.com, MyTuner, Zeno, online radio box, Radio PH, simple radio by streamer, and whenever you get your favorite radio streaming apps. This is the Internet's best mix. More hits, more variety, playing the best hits of yesterday and today. This is All Hits 24. All Hits 24. A Dumaguete Media Production Station. Mornings with Matt Reinhardt is an entertainment and a music program. However, this program may contain segments that uses opinions in forms of discussions. The views and the opinions made during portions of this program are not those of All Hits 24 or its advertisers. This program may also use jokes as a form of entertainment, although we may limit jokes during portions where it is sensitive to listeners. Listener and viewers' opinions are respected, but doesn't reflect the policies of the station. Live. From the All Hits 24 studios, this is your morning show. This is Mornings. With Matt Reinhardt. On the Internet's best mix, All Hits 24.
Naghambal ang driver sa iya ng mga pasahero.
At tanan ng mga lauay, bipalihog panaog bay kamo. May checkpoint bay sa unahan eh. Lihog lang ko ah.
Hala, ti paano ni karunong? Sino karon mag-drive sa jeep mo?
Bow! What the?
Narito na ang pinakasalahan, pinakastig, pinakasikat, pinakababangsit, at pinaka-hot sa lahat. This is it. Let's get a sound check. M.O.R. Weekly Top 10. Weekly Top 10. Cheese is the most wanted. Cheese is the most requested. Cheese is it. Look out! 3, 2, 1. Listen. Cheese is it. Saturdays 11 a.m. on M.O.R. My only radio. Gotcha. Hold it right there.
We'll be counting now. Every day I turn my radio on. Nakikinig sa my one and only radio station.
Nasaan man ako, isa lang ang radyo ko. Dahil more talaga dito sa aking paborito.
Ano man ang ginagawa, sino man ang iyong kasama, may more ka lang ka saan mang sulok ng bansa. My only radio for life. With you I'll never have to be alone. My only radio for life. You're the best friend that I've ever known. My only radio for life. With you I'll never have to be alone. My only radio for life. You're the best friend that I've ever known. Mabago man ang ikot ng mundo, one thing that I know, you're my only radio for life. You're my only radio. You're my only radio for life. Ikaw lang ang dahilan ng pag-isip ko. Lagi-lagi, 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 good time ko.
Rock means soft, but not too mushy. Rock, but not too hard. Just soft rock on your radio.
This is 101.7 Your Love FM.
Sobrang malamok naman dito.
Kailangan na natin mag 4 o'clock habit.
Ano yun?
Hanapin natin at linisin ang mga pinamumugaran ng lamok.
Sige, i-drain natin yung alulod.
At itapon na rin natin yung mga gulong dyan sa tabi.
Bakit pala 4 o'clock?
Dahil magbibigay ito ng sapat na panahon bago maging aktibo yung mga lamok. Hindi tayo madadapuan ng lamok kapag walang mangingitlog na lamok. Mag 4 o'clock habit na.
Isang paalala mula sa Department of
Favorite Filipino music. Here we go. PinoyRadio.com. Keep it where it's at.
Minsan, nagutom si Scott. Junk food o pinggang Pinoy? Pinggang Pinoy! Minsan si Scott, after work, inaya ng barkada, party o exercise. Exercise! Minsan, yung pamangkin ni Scott, papabayaan walang bakuna o pababakunahan. Pababakunahan! Para katawan ay laging win, healthy habits ang sundin.
Isang mensahe mula sa
Fiesta Extravaganza. Surrey Mitsubishi presents an exclusive offer. Check out the #1 selling 7-passenger plug-in hybrid SUV, the Outlander PHEV, or our award-winning lineup, Outlander Gas, RVR, and Eclipse Cross. To celebrate Fiesta Extravaganza, we're paying you your first 6 months of insurance and get up to $7,500 in rebates, plus receive up to $3,000 above market value for your trade. Surrey Mitsubishi Finance has rates as low as 0%. Everyone's approved. Tell us Fiesta Extravaganza sent you and receive a $500 gas card with purchase. Visit Surrey Mitsubishi
From one amazing tune to the other.
PinoyRadio.com.
Sa Pilipinas, iisa lang ang radyo. Ito ang DZRH at Radyo Natin Network Headline News.
Serving the Philippines.
This is NBC Media Group's Radyo Natin Nationwide, a member of the KBP.
Radyo Natin Nationwide, the best music in the Philippines. Radyo Natin Nationwide.
Crossover Radio Online.
Crossover.